So my project was about the tennis mini game simulation. So the idea was came from like last year when I was a freshman. I signed up for like a volunteer opportunity. That was about like playing tennis with the kids with autism from my school. So I thought it was like an easy job to teach them how to play tennis because I already knew like how to play tennis pretty well. But like during the first day of volunteering on the tennis court. I actually found out that it was almost impossible to like communicate with the kids. And after like I tried to introduce myself to them, so they couldn't listen to me. They either like kept running around the tennis court or just like do other stuff except for playing tennis. So from this idea, I came up with the the game of tennis simulation because we really wanted to help them out so that they could just live their life just like us. From this I made the game of the tennis mini game. And so this is a flow chart of my game. I have three game options. I have to play with the settings. So for the settings, I have to master the music, the UI, and SFX. And for play, I have three other options. I have the Flying, the Rally, Reflex, which are like the three different game modes. And then I have the enemy option. I have three different levels, the easy, medium, and hard. And the system overview, which I just explained, I have like four different options for sound in the settings. I also have like the three different mini game modes, and like I can choose the difficulty of the AI opponent. And so this game contains like three different mini games based on pose estimation, in which all players are required to have cameras on and place someone properly to have the full body player view. And the camera captures play movements and is going to simulate the motion that the character in the game will receive. And this is an example of me with the pose estimation system. And with the code example right here, explanation, which all the codes right here, are like post estimation AI package that we use to identify parts of our body and its movement. And this package mainly uses the post estimation script that manages all this identification and tracking, and which the script spawns visual bones through our camera that follows different body parts on each vector. And yeah, that's about it. And then we have the introduction. And we have the three introduction. The most important component of the game is the AI. And it contains like three different difficulties. We can see on the screenshot right here. We have the easy, the medium, the hard one. And then we have the code for another code example. We have the AI code example. The game configuration AI class mainly allows us to store different values that control how the ball will behave. And each mini game contains their own list of game configs AIs. And we have all have three elements. And each element has a unique AI switcher, AI easy, medium, and hard. Those are the levels at which whatever AI we're difficult to play chooses the correspondent. And we have, and then another part, we have the AI controller. And then this picture right here, we have the character for the AI opponent. And yeah, and then we have another code example right here, which explains like the AI's movements up running around in both X and Y coordinate, only X coordinate because it can only move horizontally to the left or the right. And you will go to the ball to hit, and you want a target X position, and then rotate backward towards us. The code routine is mainly used in the movement to random position, which is what is used by other mini game scripts. In an experiment, I also tested AI component accuracy, which is the hit chance, whether it's successful or not, and then the design for testing for accuracy of the post estimation in the game, the capture display screens. I did 20 inputs that I had to swim my arm 20 times to see how many times did the post estimation system actually capture. So I thought it would do like perfectly, maybe like 6 finding screens. But when I tested it out, it got like 5 false, and so like 5 incomplete screens right here. I did like finding tests, and I also have a graph shows which 80% of the screens are successful and 20 are not. And analysis of which is about 20% of the screen that didn't show stop the game, and unsuccessful screen percentage bad needs for probably it could even it could like ultimately bring bad experiences for the players who are playing the game. And then the introduction to the problem, um, what I just like what I explained in the for the introduction, this game was inspired by the One Volunteer Event, which is like the AC Autism tennis program in my school. And yeah, and the method, the tennis game uses post estimation because it could like support the children with autism to develop focus and social skills through a visual tennis games. It is also a game that can be played through several ways, for example, through a computer screen, TV screen, projector, and etc. And it also analyzes the player's move by using post estimation tools, which allows kids to play this video game without using physical equipment, so they can stay home and play without like going outside to tennis court. Yeah. And this game also offers challenges and a lot of fun features for the children with an AI opponent and to help the players to improve the accuracy and the reaction time, which could help them to which can solve the struggle with social interaction, coordination, and long-term focus. And these are just the explanation of the post-estimation screen and animation AI. And which for section 5, just briefly explain like I did like a comparison like data about how my way of solving like helping the kids with autism is better than like the other ways. First, with the football, which could help the kids with autism to develop of social skills, which is not better than mine because the kids might get hit or like might get like hurt or injured or playing football. And this one just like swimming, and this one is biking. And in conclusion, my project also has some limitations, and I'll also have some improvement for the project. It has a lot of limitations because the players are only allowed to move from left to right, not and now move forward and backward. The limitation brings down players' freedom of moving around the court in the game. Another limitation in the game will be the limits of game features, which means that the game does not contain a store for buying new characters to upgrade and interact because it's very classical tennis games. And and you also have only 3 game modes. I mean, which means that players have to play an actual tennis match the standard time length and rules. I'll like just expand my program in the future by doing more research about the children with autism and getting to know better what the personalities are like and what other activities that they like to do. If I was to start over this project, I would like to consider creating a larger map and add more features into the game, which could provide players and enters with autism more opportunities to interact with the tennis game, and which I also have the summaries for other sections, and that's about it. Yeah, thank you so much.